I got here the Zhiyun Smooth 5S, the smartphone gimbal. Right off the bat, you got the whole case, and you got a little cheat sheet right here, instructions. There's a whole manual for it, service card, you know, if ever you need to contact them or anything like that, and of course the booklet. This thing is pretty sleek. Love the material, just love it. We got the membership card, which you can sign in, get some additional perks, you know, might as well. And right on, it really feels sturdy. Sturdy, does not feel cheap at all. I'm really happy with this thing. This is awesome. Comes of course with a USB A to C, of course the stand, and some filler lights. There's a yellow, orange, red, and a blue one that's all magnetized, which is pretty great. Convenience. Do you even need a gimbal? Even though today's smartphones have great stabilization, even the iPhone has action mode, which already has great stabilization, you still need a gimbal for those more complex shots. Plus, action mode has its downside where you would have, or you require more light into the footage, and of course you're downsizing it to 2.8K. We'll just sit back, relax, and I hope you like this. Of course, there's the pan follow mode, which is kind of great because it has that, you know, orbits around the subject you want to capture. There's L mode for lock panning. And there's also an F mode for fast panning motion. Vortex mode makes your mind boggle with all of the twists and turns and stuff like that. It kind of gives you that Inception kind of feel. Well, I hope you liked that small compilation just to hang out and stuff like that, and just to check out this video. And right off the bat, go ahead and download the ZY Cami app, because that is where you would get most of the features for this gimbal, which is a great kind of connection. I mean, it connected really fast when I downloaded and registered and all that, agreements and all that type stuff, of course. And it was actually easy to use, all of that stuff. That is where you would get most of the features with all of the buttons and everything else in this gimbal. If ever you catch your phone uneven horizontally, you can do that simply in the calibration settings. It's just to auto calibrate so that it can work out as smoothly as it can. There's a trigger back here where you can double press and it would recenter how it was on default. And you can triple press in order to get that selfie shot where you turn around. It's very light and it's easy to bring. An additional accessory for your cell phone to capture great footage. I do have an Amazon affiliate link down below, and for the Zhiyun Smooth 5S, and it is a really great gimbal for your smartphones. It's highly recommended for everything else that needed complex shots and adds additional features towards it. You know, it was pretty fun to use it when I was in Washington. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for enjoying that video. Leave a like if you need to. If you want to, you can subscribe if you want to too. And thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you guys in the next one, okay? Bye. It was hella cold, by the way, over there.